Let's creep while you and me repeat this bittersweet heat.
Hi guys! Oh my god guys, it is I just woke up, as in woke up at 7:12 already. I usually woke up early, but when I open my eyes like this, oh my god, it's light already outside. Anyway guys, good morning. Oh, I'm having problem with my Final Cut Pro. Last night I went to bed 12:30 because yeah, I've been chatting with Chabilit. Jubi Chabilita. I'm sorry, B. I said Chabilita. I've been chatting with last night with people, a few of you guys. Paula. I thought I'm going to bed early, but I'm having problem. I tried to do my video because of my Final Cut Pro. I update. I update. So I did update automatically. That's my problem, guys. I always update. If there's new update, click. I always click update. So now I update it. It's a bug. So now I don't know how to fix it, guys. I don't really know. So I guess we have to wait for the next update few months. It's ridiculous. Hi guys, I'm really frustrated right now in early in the morning. I edit that video, it's done, finally done. So now I have to open the iMovie and edit it again over there. And you know what? I think this video is gonna be just plain video, no sound effect, no music probably, because it's disaster guys. It's disaster because oh my god, it's 9:30 in the morning. I don't have lunch, breakfast lunch. And I'm using my Final Cut Pro. I stopped using my Final Cut Pro for now. I have to wait until the Apple will fix freaking bug in there. So I'm using my iMovie. Thankfully, I have iMovie Go with this laptop. And I have to relearn again. I have to learn everything. How can I get the, I have to learn everything again because I forgot, guys. It's been a freaking long time. I forgot. So yeah, so I'm done editing.
2,000 years later.
I'm done. What? I'm so mad. Oh my god, I can't do it anymore. It's too much to me now. It's too much, guys. I edit the Final Cut. I edit everything again. It's done, okay? It's done in my freaking iMovie, guys. And then suddenly, when I tried to transport it, oh gee, and then the iMovie crashes. Just crashes itself. What the heck is going on with this freaking Mac Apple thing? So it crashes again. So now the editing that I did, the clips that everything is edited twice, re-edited. It's gone. Just erase automatic. And now what I'm gonna do now? Edit again? No, I can't do it. I don't even have my breakfast yet, and it's already 10:30. Holy cow! What the heck? It's really aggravated, guys. I'm sorry, guys. It's just like you're watching this video right now, and then you said, "Oh my God, it's really stressful." And watching this video earlier. I'm sorry. It's just I'm showing you. Where is it? They go crazy, these two dogs, guys. They saw two lovebirds over there in the flower. They go crazy. They're crazy already, and they go crazy more. Anyway, I'm just having my coffee. I'm gonna do vlogging, guys, and hopefully I can read all of you. If not, just leave a comment down below. Joy Asler, May Dale, Amaya is Elena, Icoviti, Michelle, Margarita, salamat sa inyong lahat na nanonood ng video ko. At saka si Mirna Muso, Vicky Salumo. Hi guys, I am done doing live. And that's the thing about doing live, guys. It feels really nerve-wracking to me. It's like I feel nervous, honestly. I don't know if you can tell. I get nervous of doing live, and also once I do live, it's kind of hard for me to see bye. I want just to be live, but while there's still people, because it's really, I don't know. You guys watch my video and then I leave you while you're still there. My tumutubo, there's another pimples growing in here. Oh, saying hi, I'm here. It's itching, hurt, the priest, like that. I also worried about dog food. There is 2 cans left because I keep giving them food, like 1.5 can. Not a day. Actually, it's 2.5 a day. Usually, they don't finish the whole can a day. The 2 dogs, because they don't eat, because we always, you know, in the other house, we there's somebody always, us three of us, we're always like giving extra food to this dog, and that's what happened. When you do that, they kind of just don't want to eat their food. Hey guys, I was just vacuuming, more vacuuming. I'm here in the basement, just try to get paper towel, because we don't have any more paper towel up there. This one, I want this to dry, because I washed this thing over here, and I want, before I close that one, I want it dry. And Roxy is so bored because I don't even pay attention to her. She gets pissed when I ignore her, guys. She's just like and she likes when I make noises. That means I'm talking to her. That's what she thinks. I'm talking to her. Right, baby? Do you think I'm talking to you? Is that what you think? I'm talking to my baby, Roxy. It makes you happy, right? It makes you happy. It makes her happy when I'm talking to her. Okay, I'm gonna let them out because that's what they wanted. Hi guys! Insert shout out naman tayo guys ha. Insert shout tayo umaga. Anong umaga? Okay, shout out to Nanita Rolorata and to her sister. I think this is her sister Jocelyn. Hi, thank you for watching. I'm sorry if you hear the TV because I'm watching a TV. And also shout out to Jubilita. She have a channel, guys. Jubilita. I'm gonna put her name here, right here. Her channel name right here, Jubilita. And also shout out to Sophie Catalina Blopicelio. Sophie Catalina Blopicelio. Hi sis, thank you for watching. Oh my god, I know there's few of you guys want to be in my shout out. And also shout out to Lizer Alert C. Is that your family name, sis? That's her YouTube name. And also, happy birthday to her bunso, to her youngest. Happy birthday, this April coming. This April 21. Happy birthday, bunsoy. Bunsoy. Bonsai. But anyway, shout out to all of you guys. And yeah, so, hi guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep watching the vlog, guys. Bye-bye. I'm kind of hungry because I eat breakfast and lunch at 10 o'clock. And because I'm hungry, anyway, I never in my life really eat this thing, guys. I mean, I did before in the Philippines. But guys, can I just tell you something, guys? I never really eat this over here, like bread and then butter. Since I got here in the US, I mean, I think I did, I don't know, but I remember I never really like eating this thing and then do it in the bread. I see my husband do this and my mother-in-law a lot, and my sister-in-law, they do this. And then with the celery too, they eat this with the celery. They put it in the middle of the celery. Oh gee, why? And this is the Skippy Super Crunch with the crunch in it. Yeah, I'm hungry. I have to stop. It's like a glue in my mouth. Time check, guys. It is 6:10, 6 o'clock in the evening. Well, afternoon. It's still nice outside. It says it's going to rain today, but it hasn't rained. I love you. Without the kiddos, without your mother, only the cats and my little cats need to eat again. I'm hungry now, my love. Oh, what? Well, yeah, your son is good with that. Yeah, I know. People talking behind my back. I bite my thing, guys, gum here. Like, I can hear the skin, and I can feel the floppy skin that I bit. And I put tissue paper to stop the bleeding. Superstitious, guys. If you bite your gum, people are talking about you. What? Gossiping. What? Drive careful, Han. Hi, guys. Good morning. Today is Sunday. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Huh? Tree over there. So pretty, guys. See that? That's very pretty. You ready for Dinde? How do I know you're ready for Dinde? How do I know? You guys need more food. Look, you have one left. How can I give you food more later on? Oh my god, guys. This is the second to the last. And so there is one left over there. So it's gonna be really no food for my baby for tomorrow. I'm going to my sister-in-law later on. But I'm going to pick up some dog food. I'm gonna also pick up some dry food. Small bag of dry food that when I leave them tomorrow, it's gonna be wholly tomorrow, babies. It's gonna be wholly tomorrow. It's gonna be wholly tomorrow. I'm gonna leave you tomorrow whole day. Oh my god. So you guys, what you guys going to do when I leave you over here whole day? Huh? What do you think you're going to do? I wish you won't rip the couch. I hope you won't pee in here. I hope you will wait for Mama and Dada to... Yeah, Dada and Mama. Dada, Mama coming here tomorrow late because we are packing some furniture here. So, Dada will going to help me. Look at Roxy when I see Dada. Yeah. Dada is coming here. Look, they get so excited when they hear Dada. You get so excited. Don't get down. Don't help yourself, please. Come here, Roxy. Come here, Mysticals. Eat your din-din. Eat your breakfast because later on, Mama will leave you no food. I'm gonna go to shower and I will be right back. Yeah, no, I'm still here. I'm still here. I'm still here. I know, Roxy's kind of like, weirdo, Mama. Mama is a weirdo. Weirdo, Mama. Weirdo, vegan. Weirdo. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take a shower and I will see you later. Bye. Hi, guys. I just had my lunch. I have lunch before I'm going back. I'm going to my sister-in-law's house. But anyway, guys, I'm just watching this movie. It's the same thing. It's an LMNOPQRSTUV, you know, LMN channel. I don't know what's the number. It's kind of like a Lifetime kind of thing, and I'm gonna get ready very soon. I'm going to straighten my hair, or I'm gonna do something. It's just simple, you know. I'm gonna get ready a little bit, and that's really it. Pansit. Hi, guys. I just came down from the upstairs. There's something wrong with me. Yeah. Ay, lordy. Okay, I put jeans, and then that's it. And then look, I don't change in it half. Like, what's wrong with me? I forgot the... nakalimutan ko na naman. Oh my god, back my mosquito. Yung foundation. Anyway, guys, I'm just going to put something on my face. Hi guys, I am done. It's just a very light makeup. Just very light. I'm going to change now. I know Roxy knows. You know that Mama's leaving you. You're coming here without my permission, huh? You don't even ow. It's very windy. I have to let them out because later on I want them to do their business that later. Roxy, come here. Look at me, guys. Windy. Okay, let's go. Come here. I want them to do their business. Okay. Go, Pipi. Yep. Ready now. Look at it. Look how pretty is this. The wind is crazy. It's crazy windy, guys. Oh my god. So I'm gonna go soon that I don't, hit the traffic. Hi guys. I'm going to take this GPS and put it right here. I'm leaving. I'm going to my sister-in-law's house. So I'm gonna just follow the GPS, guys.
Please drive to highlighted route.
I need to know where I'm going. Okay guys, I am leaving because it's already late. Hi guys, I know I'm going home. I just pick up some food and hold on guys. I just picked up some food, and because of the dog, the store that here, there's no they're closed early because of the holiday. So what happened is I went to the gasoline station to to get the dog food. And it's crazy because it takes forever over there because they don't have this how do you call that, the machine that they're doing. I don't know, I hope you guys can see me. The machine that where you do the card and stuff like that, they don't have it. They have it, but it's broken. So it's crazy. It's raining too. It's raining hard, and now it's stopping a little bit, but it's been raining crazy. So look at this too, guys. Oh my god, what? They're so happy. They're so happy to see me. They're so happy. Hello, Han. Oh my god, the dog. They're going to attack me. They're so happy. Do you want to go out? Wow, that was really epic. The one that they do to me, like the happiness that they do. Oh my god, I have to run away from them because they will rip my clothes. I stay outside with them to make sure. I will let you know when you close it because I'm here inside out. My god, Roxy, I know, Rox. I know I'm here. I know my loves. Oh, my babies, right? Yes, I know I'm done for a while. I know. Okay, come here. Who did this thing? Who did this? Who did this? Huh? It's Misty, huh? You? She doesn't come to me. She just like wiggle really far. Who did this? Huh? Oh, it's Misty, huh? Who did this? It's 10:25 already. And I just went to take off my makeup. Anyway guys, this vlog for today is kind of a really short vlog because I haven't vlogged And anyway, if you seen the live that I did to my sister-in-law's house, if you seen that one, if you see that live, you know, if you hear something like, you know, like bad words or mean, it's nothing, guys. That's nothing. We're just, me and my sister-in-law always joke around, and that's what happened. We just joke around, and at saka yun lang, guys. Matutulog na ako, guys, kasi napapagod na ako. I kinda really tired. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, when I said who did this, Misty just like acting. You know who did it, because the other one will come to me, and the one who did something bad, it's far away from me, but you know, like scared, it's Misty. Well, actually, being in long time that they don't go out, that's Misty. Whoever did a bad thing for a long time inside the house, it's Misty. Misty, come here. She is waiting for Tommy, guys. Look, she sit over there looking. Get down, get down. Misty is kind of sad. She expect that somebody will come with me, like Tommy. Oh my god, tomorrow I'm gonna leave them again. Anyway, guys, good night, and I will see you tomorrow, guys. Good night. I'm gonna end this vlog, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's not really much vlog, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Forgot to tell you that I'm eating right now, and I'm having Tabasco, which is my favorite. Even it's sweet.